Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need power and a backup before you change system files, so plug in and confirm at least 50% battery. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi. Once connected, open Settings and go to System, then System Update to check for available builds. Make sure you have backups of photos, contacts, and app data. Use Google Backup or a manual export. If storage is tight, delete large unused files or move them to cloud storage. Then tap Check for updates to begin. When an update appears, tap Download and watch the progress. Large builds can take 10–30 minutes depending on your connection speed. You must keep Wi-Fi and power connected because interruptions can corrupt the package. Once download completes, you'll be offered Install Now or Schedule. Choose Install Now for immediate update or pick a time when you won't need your phone. The device will reboot and apply changes. This can take several minutes, so be patient and do not force shutdown. After installation, the phone restarts into the updated system. Once booted, go to Settings About Phone to confirm the Android version and security patch level. If apps misbehave, clear app caches or update apps from the Play Store. If the device fails to boot or gets stuck, boot to recovery and wipe cache, or start in safe mode to isolate problematic apps. If problems persist, restore from your backup or contact the device maker. Keep your backup handy for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.